Hi guys, Jay here again from Feynlab, and today I've got another Pro Series product that I want to share with you. If you're an installer and you want to keep your customer cars looking showroom fresh, repelling dirt like magic, and maintaining insane gloss with minimal effort, then let's talk about Ceramic V3. This truly is the king of single layer ceramic coating. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you why it's different, how it works, and how to apply it. Applying Ceramic V3 is straightforward, and here's the quick process. You prep the surface, decontamination wash, clay bar, and polish it to whatever that vehicle will require. Then you want to wipe the surface down using our panel prep to remove all the remaining oils and residues. At that point, you're ready to move on to actually applying the coating. You work in small sections using crosshatch patterns. Wait for the flash, you'll see a rainbow effect that lets you know it's beginning to work. Once you follow the finger swipe test, then you can buff off gently with a clean microfiber towel, and when done right, you'll get 3 to 5 years of performance in a single layer. Ceramic V3 is the result of over 20 years of research by John Seward and the team at Feynlab. It's a high solid single layer ceramic coating that's easier to use but outperforms many multi-layer systems. Think deep gloss, long-lasting protection, and next level hydrophobics all in one coat. Now let's talk about performance. Ceramic V3 features cutting-edge nanoscale tech that creates a self-cleaning surface. Water, grime, and road film will just struggle to stick to it. The coating bonds covalently with the paint, conforming to every peak and valley of the surface. That means more protection, less washing, and no water spots. And hydrophobics, they're off the charts. The water contact angles are so high, you'll see droplets literally bounce off. And that slick surface helps reduce dirt buildup between washes. Ceramic V3 adds insane depth and gloss. Thanks to its thick film build, it enhances any color, especially metallics and pearls, without muting them. It's like adding another layer of clear coat, except smarter. And the best part, it also protects your factory clear coat from UV damage, which means that beautiful shine stays locked in for years to come. Ceramic V3 isn't just another coating. It's the evolution of everything we've learned in 20 years of detailing science. Gloss, protection, ease of use, it checks every box. If you're ready for the ultimate in ceramic performance, give Ceramic V3 a shot. Hit that like button, drop your questions and comments below, and subscribe for more detailing tips to come.